Hi everyone, how are you? Our today's lesson is lesson number 4, HTML page layout. This is very important lesson today. You know how web page is divided into different portions. Like I will show you this MSN. See, different sections are there. This one area, this second, third. It is divided in different areas. Okay, these are known as page. The overall is this a page layout and different sections are there. Okay, and these sections are known as frames. This is frame 1, this is frame 2, this is frame 3, and in that frame we are displaying the information. Okay, so I will explain like this how we will design a page layout. For example, we are beginner and we are writing HTML program and we want to display the information, design a page where we want to display different information. Okay, so like this, for example, we will use draw table property. So we want a page layout like this. Okay, so try to understand this one. This area is full page area is known as frame set. This is known as frame set. In that frame set we will create different frames. Okay, for example, we want to display heading like this, so we will divide this frame set like this. We will insert another frame of one frame in that frame set. For example, here we want to display uh, my first page, my first web page. Okay, now down we want to display informations vertically, so we will create, okay, we will create different types of informations, different types of frames here. Now vertical frames, for example, one frame here and one frame here. So this overall is one frame set. In that frame set, this is a frame, row wise, and this frame is column wise frame. Okay, so this area again we have inserted another frame set which consists of 3 column frames, column wise frame, you can say vertical frames. Okay, so 3 frames are here. We want to display, for example, okay, for example, we want to display here about HTML. We want to display here about internet. Okay, and here we want to display about programming. See, it will adjust. So this overall area is frame set. In that frame set we have inserted one frame, that is row wise frame, and rest of the area we have inserted 3 column wise frames, frame 1, frame 2 and frame 3. Okay, and overall is the frame set, and in one frame set we can insert another frame set also. So let's see, we now here try to understand. For this we need one special short HTML, complete HTML program. I will show you. Here we want HTML5 to display information here, and here another file HTML program we want which will display information here. And about internet we want another HTML program, and about programming we want separate HTML program for programming, and we will call those HTML programs here, recall those HTML program in these frames. When you will run, you will see the output like this. My first page, HTML, internet, and this one. Okay, let's see. We will create, okay, we will go to, this is, okay, we want to write HTML. As you know, after HTML we write head and slash head then here body and slash body and end of body, and this is end of HTML program. Now here this one frame, we are discussing frames now, so frames will be written here after head, not in the body. We will not write anything in the body, we will write here in the head. Okay, so to create this main page overall, this full page is known as layout of the page, full area. This is 100% area, we call it this full screen 100%. Okay, so for we will create a frame set is equal to, as I mentioned, see in the Word file, this we want to create a frame with this one row first. Okay, so we'll go here, frame set like this. Okay, row is equal to, in quotation, first row. See this row, how much size you want for this row. For example, this frame set, this area is known as 100% area of the layout. So for example, out of 100% we want 20% for that row. So we will write 20%, comma, rest of the area, this from the below this area, below this row, this is the rest of the area. This area you can say remaining area, out of 20, out of 100%, 20% we have utilized. Now you can write 80%, or you can put asterisk, mean rest of the area. After taking 20%, what is the rest of the area, mean asterisk. Okay, so we will close this. Now here we will close frame set also, this one. Now we will save this file, because we will save this file as a index, because in this program now we will connect more files. So index dot html, index.html, or main file, you can give name main also. So index.html, we will save it and check it. So close the file, or direct we will run the file. This is index, so we will write here rows. So frame set, total area, first row, total 20% of the total area is the row, first row, and rest of the area is the second row. Okay, now in that area, we will create another frame now. Okay, here frame, mean in that row, first row, what we want to display, we will use a frame tag, frame src source is equal to, initially we will put it blank. Okay, we will give the file name here, but we will put it blank like this, and then okay, we will save and check it. See, this first row and this is the second row. Okay, now in that we will create another frame set, columns is equal to, mean down, rest of the area. So divide that area in equal number of columns, star, comma, star, comma, star. Or you can give the value, for example 33%, like this, 33% here, 33% here. It is up to you. Or you can say 20% this, 40% this, 40% this, and close in quotations. So see, we will check, and this is another frame set, and we will close the frame set also. This one. Now in that frame set we will create another frames. So here, like this, I have shown you. So this area is second frame set. In that frame set we have created 3 columns, this, and to display the data we want 3 other frame. We will use frame tag to display the data here in column 1, column 2, column 3. Okay, so here, so we will use frame equal src is equal to, initially we will put it blank, frame src equal, this is second column and this is third column, frame src equal this one. So we'll put it here, this is frame set. So to improve the reading, frame set within frame set frames, this frame set, frame for this, and within frame set another frame set. This is nested frame set, and this main frame set ends here. Okay, so first for that row, 20% row, we have created 1 frame, and rest of the area we have divided 3 columns, 33%, and in that for each column we have created 3 frames, and in that frame we will display the data. Let's see, save, and see. So frame 1 row, frame 2 column, frame 3 column 2, frame 4 column 3. So this screen overall is the frame set. In that frame set 1 we created this row frame set, and in that row frame set we have created 1 row. Second, this area another frame set we have used, and we have used 3 frames, column frames of equal size. Okay, so this one, column frames, you can use 33% each, or you can use, okay, for example we want to show like this, 10%. Okay, 10% mean 10% of the total area. So save and run the file. See, this is a 10%. Now this area has been increased. So like this we will use. So this one, is it clear? I think. Okay, now as I mentioned in the introduction, we will need 4 HTML files, HTML programs, one here in the row to display the data. For example, my web page, only we want to display this, and here we want to display about HTML, we will write something here in detail, and here we want to display about internet, and here we want to display about programming. So we want 1, 2, 3, 4 HTML programs separate. I have created already, so I will show you. So we'll go here. So see, to display the data in the row, I have created a file and name row frame. If you give a proper name, it will be easy to fix that program where you want that program. If you will give different name, then problem. So give name, I have given row frame. So I will show you what is inside. It is very simple, like HTML structure. In the body we have display only online classes are in progress. Okay, from March 22, 20. So this one only we want to display this. Okay, so save, and file name is row frame. Row frame is the file name. So we will open the main file, index, and here frame, this frame for row, this frame we will use. So here we will recall that program, row frame dot html. Okay, so save the file and we will run it, index C. So in this heading, online classes are in progress from March 22, 2020. It's coming. Okay, now we want to display here in column 1. So I will show you in Word file, but we want to display, for example, HTML internet programming like this. So we will go in the main program, the index, open with notepad, this one. So I have already created 3 programs for this column frame, column 1, column 2, or you can give column 1, column 2, it is up to you. But I gave column frame 1, column frame 2, column frame 3 because down we have 3 columns. So I will open it and see. So same as HTML program, heading is empty. In the body we have written Information Communication and Technology, ICT, H3. H3 is the heading, and then we have written a paragraph. We have used tag paragraph. And what is Information Communication and Technology? Just we have written about that, very short. Okay, so for example, we will save this. This is column frame 1, and we will call in here column frame 1.html. Okay, save the file and we will run the file, index C. So we can enlarge it also, and column Information Communication and Technology, and text is coming. Clear? Now we will close this. Again open the main file. Now what we want to display in the second column, column frame 2 dot html. So I will show you in column frame 2 what is in that. See, what is HTML? Same simple HTML program, only you will write in the body a paragraph about HTML and give heading with H3, what is HTML. Okay, so save the file and open main file, index. We will write here column frame, and this is not required, and run the file. See, some mistake is there. So if data is not coming, so it means some problem in the file. So we will open and check what is the mistake. Frame src column frame 2. See, this is a mistake, comma, file extension dot. Okay, so save the file, close it, run the file. See what is HTML, it is coming here. So you can resize it here. Now next, this frame 3, column frame, this is a column frame 3. Okay, so we'll close it, open the file, main file. We want to display here in this frame, column frame 3, column frame 3 dot html. Okay, column frame 3 is about programming. So I will show you. Column frame 3 is about what is internet. So same simple program, only you will write in the body a paragraph using h1, h2, h3 heading tag, and we will call these program. We said we will recall these program using this frame and scr source. Source mean where is the file, which file you want to open. We want to open this column frame 3.html, and make sure all HTML, these column frame 1, 2, 3 files should be in that folder, should be in this folder where HTML program is there. Our HTML main program index is in this folder, HTML frames. So the program we want to use in this index main program, all program must be here, otherwise it will not come. Okay, so run the program. See, so what is internet? So you can reduce file here, and this is by default going less because we have set it 10%. Okay, that's why. So close the file. Maybe we will set it equal. So for equal mean this should also be asterisk. We have divided area into columns. How many columns? 3. You want 4, 5, you can put more asterisk, comma asterisk, comma asterisk, it will divide. For example, you want 5 columns, so put 5 asterisks. So it will divide that area in 5 equal columns. Okay, so right now we have created 3 columns. So we will save the program and run it. See, so this is coming in equal size and text is displayed here. So our today's topic was frame set, and in frame we will use frame tag. Okay, and each frame will be used to call an independent program. Here we, as you know, we are using here one separate program, and here column 1 we are using, this is a row. Okay, for row we have used one separate program, for column 1 we have used separate program, and column 2 we have used separate program, and column 3 we have used separate program. So I hope you got it. Okay, so please write in comments as well and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.